everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? We're at Piney Creek Ravine Nature Preserve. I'm doing a group hike with Hiking with Shawn and a few other gents and ladies around here, so let's check it out. I always feel like somebody's watching me. The man, the myth, the legend. Hiking with Shawn. Thank you for hosting the New Year's hike.
Yeah. Well, I'll be damned.
Here we go.
We do a lot of creek crossing, and you know, when you're a kid it was easy, but you get to be an adult, those rocks really hurt.
Yeah, really. They do. I remember swimming in March as a kid. I don't think I'd want to do that.
Yeah, yeah.
You guys have a nice
Yeah, y'all too.
hike.
Take care.
You too.
Piney Creek Ravine. The tips for the trail right there.
Go ahead, because I'll be. Well, yeah,
Tips and ticks.
Go ahead.
The more people ahead of me, the better. Like, break it.
Just jump out of the way, trust me.
I've fallen the past 2 days.
I'll let you two know that I'm not.
Wow, they're all the way up. What is that? Itty bitty mushrooms. Look at them.
I saw some big old black ones yesterday.
Look at those. Those are tiny. Love the moss. Coming down the hill here. A lot of leaves. A lot of wooden blocks. Just gotta kind of watch your step here. It'll be slick if you go too fast.
Well, I mean, we've been hiking many times. I took her to Little Grand Canyon in a heavy downpour. We hiked down it in a heavy downpour.
And only until like a couple of days ago did I find out that he had never hiked there when it was raining.
Yeah.
So it was a first for him as well.
Yeah.
I've been there when it was kind of dry. I mean, there was some water going through, but
Yeah.
I was just like, man, I don't even know how you would do this. If it
rainfall when we
was-
went.
So good.
Yeah. That and the
Hey,
sky.
Grant,
cloud.
I guess the east side got more rain because everybody was taking pictures of waterfalls yesterday.
I was at Fern Cliff, and I mean there wasn't. Just Buck Creek was flowing down at the bottom, on the bottoms. I don't know if those waterfalls are really flowing.
Well, I mean, like,
Burden.
Ravine took pictures of one at, well, Burden Falls was flowing.
Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So around the Ozark area, I was looking at the rainfall map, and it was yellow. You know, around Ozark.
Right.
So I could believe that, but
It's
kinda-
took pictures of Packentuck,
oh yeah.
and it was flowing pretty good.
I would say it probably was yesterday. I thought about going to Camp Ondesock and doing Sand Canyon again.
I love camping.
Yep.
I'm trying to get him to go camp there sometime.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, yeah, we will, but if I don't like continue to bug him,
Beautiful that is down there.
Gonna remind me.
you go with me. I can feel.
Look at this bluffage. Why do I do this? I do it for the bluffage, the bluffage, the bluffage. I do it for the bluffage. Here's the rest of the team. This is beautiful down here. Oh my God, this is definitely beautiful. This is like a Thomas Kincaid painting. These are like horse hoof mushrooms.
Yeah.
She does it all the time.
You could never have enough rocks. Yeah, actually. I know, right?
Yeah, beautiful that is out there. Piney Creek rock art. A lot of different petroglyphs and paintings and carvings in the rock. Whatever you do, just respect what's out here. Don't touch it, don't disturb it, don't add your own. Look at all these graffiti names. You got folks that carved into the rocks too. I love that banding. Oh, it looks like a little hat. Just need
it does.
It's got 2 eyeballs under it too. Just need to draw a little kitty cat under that. And
That would be perfect.
perfect.
Are you recording? Great. Now my recording jokes are documented.
See all the little hammered people in? But they're starting to fade. Look at that jackass carved in the middle of it. That's recent. But yeah. It's hard to get them to show up.
Here's some of the Native American rock art there. That's pretty wild. Got a lot of carving in here. RHA. Can't even read those. Louis Beisner. I always feel like somebody's watching me. That's right, you vandals. They're watching you. Yeah. Don't do it.
So John used to be a biologist for the state of Illinois. He worked for the University of Illinois for a while as well. And he says that this is a map. He is the guy who got the land for Heron Pond. He's big into all of this. I mean, he's the one that secured all that land to become Heron Pond Nature Preserve. But he said that this was a map.
Cool.
Like 1970s, I think is. Who was there? It's a piece of church.
So some hippie from the 70s drew that little guy, not some Native American. It's pumpkin head, pumpkin head, pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin head. Booga booga. It's very, very beautiful out here. If you're ever out in the area, I encourage you to check this out. Very rustic and serene. Kind of reminds me a little bit like Tennessee. Look at how beautiful that is.
Marketing is a big deal.
Shawn.
Really good at it.
Yeah. Marketing, Shawn.
I'm good at it too, but
You're definitely very good at it. You've been marketing your videos on YouTube more than your postcards, I think.
yeah. I market my free stuff more than I market my paid stuff.
No, I don't think that's how it's supposed to be.
The way they have determined it to be is they're going to make climate preserves, which are new. There's no climate preserves anywhere else, so it's a brand new conception. And in these climate preserves, you can do everything that you do now in the Shawnee. You can hunt, you can camp, you can go backcountry camping, hiking. Sure. But the problem is if the Act of Congress approves the Shawnee as a national park and they don't do the climate preserves, then you lose hunting.
That's the problem.
And that is a problem. The climate preserves are new. There's no climate preserves anywhere in this country. It's a brand new concept.
I'd like to read it. I'm gonna have to read up on that.
And
see.
if they approved it, it'd be okay.
Right.
Because you'd be able to do everything, and pretty much everywhere where you can do that now is what they would consider a climate preserve. So you can't hunt in Garden of the Gods recreation area.
Right.
That's going
Right.
to be part of the national park. You know, same with Bell Smith, stuff like that. So that's really kind of where the fine line is. If they can't get that part, but they can get the other, and they approve the other without approving the.
I guess if you live down here, you own property down here.
Yeah.
You should be able to hunt on your property.
Yeah. But the bad thing about a national park is there's a lot of them, when it's winter, they close the park. That means you don't go to the park.
I think that turtle is a NASCAR fan. Dale Earnhardt, eat your heart out. Yeah, it's been pretty fun out here so far. Chit-chatting with a few folks and learning about different photographic equipment and documentaries and whatnot. Dutchman Lake.
You been there?
I tried.
Yeah.
Didn't make it.
Yeah.
I went to the lake part with the turnaround
Yeah.
and a little dock, but I never found where the campground's actually at.
Yeah. There's a little trail. Kind of when you start going around the curve, you start seeing the lake. There's a little user trail. It's nothing official.
Okay.
Yeah. And you follow it. You follow the trail that's closer to the lake, but pretty much you'll cross the first creek, then the second creek, just go up that creek.
All right.
See neat stuff.
Now to quote SpongeBob, did you see the Flying Dutchman there?
Until you have kids.
That's crazy. Yeah, you have to get it at the right angle to make it look. That deserves a place in the.
I like big butts and I cannot lie. Those other trees can't deny. He ain't heavy, he's my brother. It's a wild set of trees there. It's duck season. No, it's rabbit season.
I think this would be the creek that comes with the snow.
You see how we just had to get here, right? Okay. So either you can't. Oh yeah, those are pretty.
Look at all this. Beautiful rock shelf.
Well, it's a good thing you're not from Indiana.
Oh my God, that's hilarious.
She thinks she's standing there straight as can be, and nobody knows that she's on anything. And I said,
She's not fooling anybody.
no.
Stretching.
It's a 7-inning stretch.
Yeah. A little bit of rock yoga. Yeah, I did security at a high-rise in Maryland for quite a number of years. I've seen the worst of the druggiest people, and what a mess. I felt, you know, and there's this kid, and he's when I first started seeing him, he's like 12, and he started hanging out with these people, and I'm sure they peer pressure them.
Saw the
trying
transition.
it. Yeah, just full transition of
Deterioration of
yeah for like 3 years, and
Did he ever get cleaned up?
no, I don't think he did. I think he ended up dying. But,
Well, that usually happens too. 9 years ago. 9 years ago, heroin got my nephew,
yeah.
and I never. How do you make it to 23 years old and then be so naive?
Oh yeah.
You know, like, just,
But, you know, I think-
what a bad decision.
You know, we always want to punish them and stuff, and I just think sometimes
You just
know,
need to
maybe
give them a
we ought
hug.
to think of different ways. I think some of them just
They're hurting.
pressured into it, or they're hurting. You know, I mean, I used to be in a lot of pain, so I drank a lot.
Oh, did you?
And that's how I got hurt in my pain. Is my teeth. You know, like getting your teeth fixed in America is, you know, you gotta
Barbaric.
sell your second son. You know,
It's expensive.
I mean, I got an upper denture, so like my top teeth are fake.
Oh.
It was $6,000 out of pocket.
Wow.
So, you know,
I think you only need one set, top or bottom.
yeah. But I drank a lot. I was a whole different Shawn back then.
Yeah, I used to.
Hiking saved me.
Did it?
You could have had a channel drinking with Shawn.
Yeah.
From a just being depressed.
Yep.
And
It all now? Just a little bit. I like IPAs. I don't get drunk, but occasionally I drink like 4 and get a little like happy,
I'd be hammered.
and then I go to bed.
I had 4 beers.
I used to, you know, that's like the IPA is really bitter. I like the taste.
And sadly, I can't drink a drop anymore. Good old alcohol allergy.
Diabetes? You
I don't know.
choose not to?
Well, I started developing a few years after college. I started to get an alcohol allergy,
Oh.
and basically a lot of nasal drip, swelling of the throat, stinging under the ears, congestion, headaches, eventually hives. So it just kind of depends. Some alcohols do a little more than others in different spots, but wine really stuffs me up. Beer stings me under the ears. Gin, I broke out in the hives. Vodka was probably the least offensive because it's triple distilled. They get all the histamines and all the other junk that comes from the fermentation process out of there, as well as all the yeast extracts. But even kombachas and near beers, like Heineken Zeros, I'll still get a little stinging and a little bit of sneezing from them.
You know, I'm just getting to the point where I
There he goes.
don't want to
Oh, maybe not.
drink as much anymore. I don't like waking up feeling like crap. I'd rather get
Oh,
up
yeah.
and come do this and not feel like crap the next day.
Oh, he's stuck.
I
A little
don't know
wooden
whether I should
friend.
interfere or not. You know, it's kind of like if I saw a mountain lion eating a gazelle, I wouldn't stop the mountain lion.
Right. It was funny because like he kept getting sucked in. He finally bounced off enough off the back one that it made him forward, and then he hit that. You're gonna have to pop him in the butt to shoot him on that one.
It must be magnetic.
I watched it float down here.
It's gonna be like one of those Six Flags rides. Oh, he's stuck. He needs a little guidance.
There you go.
It's about the same size splash I would make if I saw him.
Into the beer foam.
I'm just waiting for that.
very beautiful.
If only the trees were gone.
Shrooms!
No. But, so they're the ones that ooze.
Oh, look at that guy up there.
Whew,
That is crazy.
that's a biggie.
That's actually a fallen limb or something.
Yeah, it's like part of a tree
It's hanging.
Yeah.
hanging off the other tree. That's wild.
Don't stand underneath it, remove it. There's another
See, I
kind
was
of-
just getting ready to pull it down.
That's a Widowmaker if I've ever seen one.
Yeah. Oh, there's more up on the backside of that fork. When I want to take a break, I literally just hit the memory on it, it lifts me up.
Get all that out there. Back at the bridge. Heading on the way out. Wowee. There's a lot of people out here. So, hope you all had fun watching this Piney Creek Ravine Nature Preserve. So check it out if you're out here. Well, everybody, if you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that notification bell, get notified of new video content when it comes out. And catch you again in the outdoors. As always, thanks for watching.